Hi, I'm Drew Allen with Grace Engineered Products. I'm the VP of Strategic Development here at Grace, and today I'm very excited to show you our new voltage test station. The voltage test station is comprised of 3 different components. One is our standard Grace port housing, which provides you a UL type 4, 4X, or 12 protection. These can be mounted either horizontally like you see here, or also vertically. The second component is our R-3W voltage indicator. Our third component is our R-3MT safe test point, which allows you to take a fully metered absence of voltage test outside of panel doors without having to suit up an additional PPE. We've put 102K ohm impedance on the back end of this circuit, and I can go ahead and do my both phase to phase and phase to ground, and then take our meter back to a known source to verify it's still functioning. The idea here is that on the left, we have a solution for non-electrically qualified workers to be able to quickly verify which phases have voltage present, can assist in blown fuse identification, and also phase loss, or also used as in addition to the OSHA required bump test or tri-test to verify that power is really shut off to that circuit. Installation is simple by utilizing a standard green lead punch size. Each of these components then have 6-foot flying leads off the back that can go ahead and terminate into your disconnect, your circuit breaker, or other disconnect points. After installation, most of our customers experience a reduction in about 20 minutes per lockout tagout procedure. We typically see a payback within 5 to 7 lockout takeouts in most facilities. The high impedance protection protects us both against shock hazard as well as arc flash, allowing us to minimize PPE. The combination of safety and productivity is something we always strive for at Grace. Grace is all about making maintenance smarter, safer, and more productive. Feel free to click on the link below, which will get you in touch with some of our folks. We'd love to set up either a demo or a free product sample for you and your team. Thank you again. This is Drew Allen with Grace Engineered Products.